Hello, I am Ernesto de Lerio Garcia, 74 years old,
Mm-hmm.
um, a retired teacher from the State University. I was formerly a college professor of English.
Okay. And then after presenting this energy, how do you feel about it?
Uh, since in my college days, I took up chemistry, botany, and zoology, I believe this product is scientifically based and
Okay.
it undergone some clinical tests and experiments.
So by saying that, do you think this can give value to other people's lives?
Yes, of course, because I believe health is wealth, as they say in Greek philosophy, mens sana in corpore sano, which means in English a sound mind and a sound body. So we've got to be healthy to work. We've got to consider that health is wealth, and
All
this
right.
product will make us very healthy, and we will be working effectively in all aspects, social, emotional, psychological, and all other aspects of life.
Okay. So can you recommend this to other people to give value to their lives?
Yes, uh, in fact, this is a breakthrough in medicine because it's scientifically based. It gives off energy to the human body, and it activates all the hormones we have in our human body, and that will make us work effectively physically, mentally, and intellectually.
Well, thank you so much, Ernesto.
Welcome, and I hope everybody will patronize this product so that all of us will be healthy.
Can you show me the pendant right now that you're
I'm
wearing?
I'm wearing this pendant,
And
and
then you already experienced drinking the alkaline
yes,
water and the Iscarlavia as
yes,
well.
I feel great. I feel
Okay.
better.
All right. Thank you.